You are going on safari, but you are not sure what you should wear. Then this video is for you. Excited? Then follow me on my journey of making the impossible possible, traveling full-time as a single mom with my baby to Kenya, and becoming a travel influencer who supports over 1 million travelers in planning their trip to Kenya. Hit the subscribe button if you want to support this mission. Wonderful, good morning! So, he got so excited, he wanted to be also in the video and eat my things for the camera. So, we are currently in Masai Mara. This is a very easy standard tent. Yeah. And actually we were supposed to go on safari right now, early in the morning of course, but then my client I travel with, unfortunately she doesn't feel that good today. So I thought of using that opportunity. Come Zahi. Pew! Before he falls out. So I thought of using that opportunity to show you guys what I would have been wearing today on safari, so that you guys know as well what you can wear on safari. Yes? Quack! So before I show you guys exactly what I would have been wearing today on safari, I thought of giving you guys like this most simplest rules what you should wear or consider while you are packing and thinking about what you should actually wear on safari and what not. Wow, the sun! Let me move this side. Way better. So the first rule, the most important for you, doesn't matter what you read online, because people are just trying to sell you any like safari outfits and this kind of things. So the most important rule is that you feel comfortable in whatever you wear. And you have to be aware of that this clothes you're choosing, you might be traveling with them for a week and you will be in the car on your safari the whole day. The way there, not unless you're flying, can be a very long distance in the car. Then going on safari you will spend a lot of time inside the car. So wear anything which is comfortable for your car. Rule number one. Then the second one, you should not underestimate that it can get actually cold, especially in the morning hours. I mean, now it's like 8 in the morning and you can see, I mean, I'm dressed up pretty light and it's getting warm here in Masai Mara, but we have just come from Nakuru where it was quite cold in the morning, so I could have not imagined myself walking around like this at this exact same time. So definitely wearing something to cover yourself, like you need to be dressed up something warm, like a jumper you can put on top, then a scarf maybe. I love my Masai shuka, I'll be sharing it with you later. And yeah, just to make sure that you can keep warm in the mornings and even evenings. Because, can you hear my baby? Because you might be going on an early morning game drive, you start very early in the morning, and then also you might come home just after the sun goes down in the evening. Then one thing I get asked all the time is like, okay, we say the best colors for safari is like light colors, beige, light green, so this kind of things, or green in general, brownish, so this kind of colors. Because white is not that smart maybe, because it could get quite, it's quite dusty outside, so it can get dirty easily. Then I personally, I love wearing black, so even the clothes you will see they're black. Of course, black might also not be the smartest thing because it can get really hot, black clothes. And then also we say, if you Google this, but I'm not sure if this is actually true, is that it attracts a lot of tsetse flies. But in general, we don't really have a lot of tsetse flies in Kenya. Like, I just talked to the driver guide the other day and he also said like, he has not really come across tsetse flies in over his, can't remember, 20 years of experience in being a safari guide. And there are less places which really have tsetse flies, which is for example in Savo West. But he also said they come anyway, so then there will be no thing of like they come and bite you, only they choose the color of your clothes. So that's why I'm saying I'm not sure about that one. As myself, I always go in black. I love wearing black. I think black is awesome. So if you are like me and you like black, keep on wearing black. Yeah. So another rule they say for the colors is that you should not wear any neon colors, like neon yellow, orange, red, pink, because it can distract the animals and it's not allowed. And then on top, what is not allowed when it comes to choosing your colors for safari is wearing military style, because the military has its own colors and it's illegal to imitate them basically. So you should not pretend to be a military, so you should not wear any military colors. Mommy, I am back. Yes, and I was like, the mine is good. Say good morning. Our awesome guys from the other day. So I would like to have a coffee.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hallo! Ja, hallo! Zahi, komm raus! Zahi, sag hallo! Komm raus! Sag Mama! Also want to go outside? Come, yeah! Good morning, baby! What a surprise! So I need to make sure he's safe here and doesn't crawl down. Zahi, yes. So the other thing I wanted to tell you about actually wearing shoes. Ta-da! Wearing flip-flops might not be the smartest idea. I also do like wearing flip-flops. And if I know we're only gonna game drive, like 100% game drive, it's okay to wear flip-flops. But you have definitely to pack your closed shoes, because if you go on safari, you might be also step outside of the car, you might go for a walking safari or a village visit, and then you definitely need closed shoes. Or maybe people love hiking, so all these things. So definitely one pair of the shoes should be closed. Zai, stop going! So, as I promised you, I want to share with you what I would have been wearing today going on safari. But of course, the safari did not happen today. But we are on a road trip currently for over 30 days through Kenya. So I know there are so many more safaris going on. So I told my client, it's okay. You rest, you take care of yourself. And yeah, there's always another time. So first, I talked about this shuka, and even in my other video, if you have not yet seen it, check it out. It's actually where I've been opening my bag, which I usually carry on safari, and show everything what is inside in my second other bag, just like some snacks and small things, but what you need on safari. So I love this Maasai shuka. I actually got it from a Maasai market in Nairobi, because it's super long and you can wear it as a scarf and also as a blanket, cover yourself, or as a scarf. So you need something like that, because it can be windy and cold in the mornings. I love the combination, so that's another rule what you have to consider while you choose what you're wearing for your safari, is that you try to pack as many layers as possible. So of course it's cold, so you need something for top. So what I have is just like a normal jumper. I think that's really cool. just a jumper to cover yourself. This is like a kind of sports thing. It's not too warm, but it's good even for running, so it's good for the wind and for the sweat and for everything, for the cold. So one jumper for the top. Also, I personally, to be honest, I like just, where's my leggings? Traveling in leggings. Because I think they're just very comfortable. Also, jeans are possible, so I just wear a normal leggings. Also, jeans are possible, but it's not the best because jeans are very heavy. So I think the best is to have long clothes, but light ones, which really like light cotton material, so that you don't sweat too much and also you're covered, so no mosquitoes, bugs, anything comes to just annoy you while you're on safari. Yeah, but also I think you don't have to overthink. Like, I usually then something on top, below. I just wear a normal top, and as I said, told you guys, my favorite colors is black. When it comes to clothes, or brown. So, but better would be a bit of light brown, beige. These colors would be perfect. And then a short. I love this one. I actually got it from a friend. So this short is awesome because it's like stretchy and it's super, super light. As I said, afternoon, it can get super, super hot. Like, you have no clue how hot it can be on safari. Then, on top, something in between, which I also like, is just to cover myself on the top, another layer. Because you might find it too warm in your jumper, so I like wearing that one. Yeah, then something also to cover my hair. I love this one. I got it in Malindi at the beach. I know, it might look very funny, but I just love it because also it's not only just to, it's more like because it can be so windy that your hair goes directly in your face all the time. So this can be in the morning hours or just when it's too windy, really good. Especially when I traveled to northern Kenya, we needed something in our hair. Like, this was my life savior. Like, not this one, I got another one from a friend, but a similar one. Yeah, then of course, because I know you guys love hats, so I don't really wear hats, and this is not a proper safari hat. But any hat which helps you against the sun, not this one, because this has nothing to hold yourself. So if you invest in a hat, then take one which you can hold yourself with. Like, you can tie it, because it will be so windy. This one, it will blow away. Yeah, but I'm just not a hat type. Like, I will not wear a hat on safari. This is just for sun bathing when we are here in the camp. So, that was it already for today's video. I hope it helped you, and I want to invite you, if you have any questions, please comment down below, or you can directly as well contact me on my Instagram. Also follow me on my trip, like the 30 days road trip we are having right now with my client, and it will be even extended most likely to 5-6 weeks or even longer. But yeah, so all my adventures I'm sharing on a daily basis on my Instagram, so it's just easier to keep up with all the trips and informations, and I can answer very fast, because of course this video is a bit delayed. It's always like 2 or 3 weeks later to when I actually be able to shoot it. Yeah, but also check out my other video, which I've been talking about what I have been packing for my safari. What do I need to carry and to pack for my safari? What is the most important? Check that one out. Okay, now let me go and enjoy my day here.